And this place should be up. Back. I think swords could be making it totally ninja. It's so hot. Shit! Crap. Different code. Okay, let's see what we can find. Nothing. Got it.
Out there.
It's Amy. From the crash? Let me in already.
Oh, okay. Come in.
I did it. Just need to rest.
Get in! This crazy's everywhere. It's a miracle you didn't get bit. Ew, is that?
I'm okay, my head is splitting.
Get away from this house, you
Ray, what are you
devil!
doing? Give me the gun!
No! You have been beaten! You will turn, eat us, I know. I've seen it now. Get away!
Freya! They were at the crash. I invited them. Just give me the...
No! I will not have this devil in my house!
Your house. You may have snuck your whole family in the moment I was gone, but this is still my home.
You abandoned me!
Well, I'm back now, and you are still my housekeeper, so give me the bloody... gun.
Stop shouting. I need a timeout.
Emma, we've got a problem. Our friend here has been bitten.
So? What the bloody hell does that mean?
It means they will turn into a beast! We must kill them!
This is not a fucking movie. I'm not killing them.
It's definitely not my job description. Ah! Oh, God. Are they turning? Oh, I'm gonna be sick.
Shoot them! Say something.
You didn't shoot me?
Michael fainted and the gun went off. Fucking idiot almost hit me.
Both got lucky. You can take these off. I'm feeling okay.
You do seem better. And the bite's healing too. But you're staying locked up.
Well, the fever's gone. That proves...
No, it proves nothing, okay? I mean, people are eating each other out there, and no one knows anything about what's going on. And I can't get hold of my agent or my manager.
You got me. I kicked a bunch of zombie ass already. I am 110% team living.
Nice try. But trusting people never worked out too well for me. Can I ever get 2 minutes away from him?
They're surrounding the house. They're trying to get in.
You can't leave me like this. Let me help.
Oh, shit. Okay, they're toy cuts. Just press the button. Come on.
I knew that.
Getting closer!
What do we do?
Open up. I'll take him on.
Are you sure?
Take the gun!
You might need it. Just don't pass out.
Oh my god! Help me! Let me in!
Hurry it up! Give me that! Wish me luck. Close your gate, guys. I'll do it. Power's out again. Everyone keeps extras in the garage. Another missing breaker. A breaker. This isn't for something important. Shit. A week ago, these were all normal people. It's fucked up.
Shut the door! Madre mia. Is it safe? Are the devils gone?
It's safe. Thanks to me. Where's your boss?
They're downstairs in the games room, hiding.
Chalk one up for team living.
Thank you for going out there. God, this is beyond insane. I mean, I don't know how to do this. I'm not supposed to die here.
At least you'll die with me, Emma.
Oh, fantastic.
No, what I mean to say is you're not dying. Not with me around. Now, since the health of our possibly undead friend here
Not
is...
undead.
We can't verify that, okay? Since your health is in question, we need a lead, person here. A lead protector. And Emma, I will be your protector.
Come on, get in.
Shit!
You got no shot on this 8-ball. Lose the cue.
Okay. Boomer.
Don't touch her!
Sam?
You hear that 8-ball line? I saw the cue and nailed it. You're shocked, I get it. I couldn't exactly call ahead.
No. Or call any time in the past 15 years since you popped out to the store.
I think we should talk about this later. I'm here to get you out
Please,
of LA.
Emma is a huge star. Her fans are probably crowdfunding for her rescue right now.
Guess again. City's locked tight. Being famous don't count for shit. Lucky for you, I've been through this before.
No one's been through this before.
Guess again. This zombie shit happened twice already. All got covered up. But I survived. You wanna know how? I'm immune.
Big deal. So are they.
Me?
This motherfucker?
This motherfucker. So, you're not special, and we're doing fine, thanks.
I'm immune?
You still need me. I killed more zombies than you got shoes.
So what exactly is your plan for getting us out of here?
I'm still working out the details.
We don't need him.
And you know you do.
I'm immune!
Fine, you can stay. Everyone else has moved in, so why not you? I'll show you where you're sleeping. This way.
What does he mean being famous doesn't count for shit? How ridiculous!
I'm zombie-proof. I need to talk. To our zombie expert.
This couch was hand-stitched by blind Andalusian monks. My dog slept on it before Robert shot him. I'm sure you'll be very comfortable.
Damn, girl.
Tomorrow, I will say a prayer.
Sam, if we're immune, we just need to get to the authorities and tell them.
Sure, if you want to get dissected.
What? We'll be VIPs.
RIPs. Emma's got 6 months of food in the basement. We can wait it out here.
6 months. I need out now. National trials for the Paralympic team are next week. I have to be there.
You're immune. You ain't bite-proof.
I'm strong and fast and young. I know I can make it out.
You don't know shit. Out there, you gotta be a mechanic, medic. Jackie fucking Chan rolled into one.
I've sacrificed too much to just give up now.
All right, it's your ass. Hey, if you're going out there, you're gonna need some special sauce. Grab that machete. Okay, this is how you give it some spice. You'll need parts, though. Take some of this shit lying around here.
You really walked into a zombie outbreak to save Emma?
Should never have left her. All right, use the workbench, and let's get cooking. Nice. You hit a zombie with that, the motherfucker's gonna stay hit.
Thanks, Sam.
Hey, if you're really going out there, I got some stuff you need. Take some of this meat as bait. It's just meat, but the zombies go for it. Saved my life getting here. I got some meds you can have too. Just maybe next time, you give me something in return, huh?
Thanks. This'll help.
You'll think you'd be better off staying here?
I need to
but
talk
at
to
least
Emma.
now you're prepared.
I feel like we're shipwrecked. Am I going to end up in some dead fan's stomach? You won't let that happen, will you?
No one's getting eaten, but I need to contact the authorities.
Sam doesn't trust them.
I'll take my chances. I have to make nationals.
We all want to leave. You wouldn't believe what we had to pay to get on that plane. We're stuck here.
You can quit if you want, but...
You can't just jump in a car and go. The roads are all blocked. I saw videos of cars getting swarmed. You might as well put wheels on a coffin.
Fine, no cars.
There's millions of those things out there, just waiting to sink their teeth into us. Face it, we'd need a helicopter to get out. And everyone who has one is already fucked off in it.
Sounds like a challenge. Where is the nearest evacuation center?
We were supposed to report to the helper in hotel. If Robert hadn't made other arrangements.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Our marriage was just PR, okay?
Whatever it takes. I get it. I'm gonna run down to the hotel.
Hey. Don't forget your friends, if you do find a way out.
Hey, Michael. I'm heading to the Halpern Hotel to try to contact the army.
Yes, good. Good, exactly what I was going to tell you to do. All part of my survival plan. Oh, you'll need keys to get out. Here. Just tell them Emma Jaunt and her staff need to be evacuated immediately. Okay?
Oh, I'll tell him.
They can land
I could really use some teammates about now. Follow the signs to the Halpern Hotel evac. Easy. Oh, shit! Hi. Need some help?
Ah, good. Finally, some life out there. Well, you're not much to look at, but I'll take a chance on you. Say, you seen another kid out there?
No. Just the zombies.
Damn it. Must have thought I was shooting at her and got spooked. Well, listen, if I get the gate, can you search the front? You find that girl, you bring her around back, and we'll straighten this thing out. Just watch out for the other trespassers. They bite. Hey, get out of there, you scourge of Satan!
I can help him out. I got time. Look out! Fucked up. I need to find the old man. Fast.